Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer Placements. This is your general and titingnan din natin yung current situation ninyo ni person, kung ano magiging takbuhan hanggang mid-April. So, let's see. Okay, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo biging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, evil eye protection, check, meron. Meron din tayong love bracelet, granter necklace, and cord cutting. So, meron po, ha? And, don't forget rin, i-follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes. So, thank you. Kung may tanong ulit, message na lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start the reading for you, Cancer. So, what's for you in general? Hanggang mid-April. Cancer. Let's see. What's for you? Seven of Swords. Ten of Swords. Stalking. Be careful. Somebody will break your trust. Ano your sign? Could be. Okay? Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Meron ditong parang sisira ng tiwala mo. I don't know who. Okay? Magaling magmanipula yung tao. Be careful. Okay? And nakuha ko, kapag nahuli mo yun at pag nalaman mo, tatalikuran mo siya. Yes. Meron ding may chance na merong iwan. Okay? Pwedeng iwanan ka nito. Or parang sa isang sitwasyong hindi okay, iiwanan ka niya. Yeah, they'll drop you. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. They will drop you. Be careful sa mga hindi totoo. Okay? Two-faced. Magaling pag nandyan sa harap mo, pag nakatalikod ka na, ang dami ng sinasabi. Be careful. This is like mga hindi totoo pagdating sa'yo. Okay? May mga tao kasi na pwedeng sinisiraan ka nila kapag nakatalikod ka. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. May mga naninira sa'yo, Cancer. May mga maninira. And I think some of you, malalaman mo yun. Kung sino tong mga to. Yes. Pwedeng malaki tiwala mo sa kanya, Cancer. Ha? Malaki ang tiwala mo. Be careful. Trusting. Okay? Piliin mo kung sino paniniwalaan mo. What else for Cancer? Four of Cups in reverse. The Queen of Swords. May mali kang mapipirmahan. That's so specific. May mali kang mapipirmahan. So, much better na basahin maigi kung ano man tong mga to. Okay? Meron akong nakukuhang misspelled. So, hassle, no? Okay? The Three of Pentacles. Ang nakikita ko ito, babalik ka ulit eh. Some of you, this is talking about legal. Legal, yeah, may mga papers akong nakukuha dito, nakikita. Okay? Pero may misspelled. I don't know if this is name or may kulang, suffix, something like that. In general, something important. Okay? Ang pwedeng hindi agad-agad ma-process dahil sa simple lang na mali. That's specific. Okay? So, there. So, what else? Yeah, again, the Three of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, this is, work-related. Work-related. Meron ako nakukuhang mga OT na hindi mababayaran kasi wala yung payslip mo. Yung payslip, napaka-important. Mas maganda kung tinatago mo yung payslip mo. I don't know. Okay? Yeah, the world. Yung mga nakaraan. Oo. Okay? Yung in and out mo, time in, time out, break, mga ganung bagay. Yeah. Ang mga nakuha ko specific. What else for you, Cancer? I'm hearing meetings. Knight of Cups reversed. And the Ace of Wands. What's your Knight of Cups? Naka-reversed. The Hierophant. Justice. Kasi naman to, I think, kasi nakuha ko dito is a connection, a relationship. Sabihin nating hindi stable. Why? Pwedeng iba sa inyo hindi mo alam na pwedeng yung person is already committed or in a relationship. Yeah. Some of you, you're open sa new connection but still your heart and mind is nandoon pa rin sa tao na nasa past mo. Don't try to compare. Okay? Don't compare. Some of you I'm seeing here, sex muna bago relationship. Two of Swords, yeah. There's these options. Somebody is unsure pagdating sa pakikipag-connect. Maybe, I don't know, Cancer yan if you're open. Alam mo, may mga gustong kumonek actually, pero you're blocking them. I think you're blocking them. Okay? May mga connection ako nakikita rito na pwede naman pero you're blocking them. Maybe you're still attached or hindi pa nakaka-get over or move on from a person. Somebody from your past. Okay? So, yes. Pwedeng maapektuhan yung bagong papasok na connection. So, let's see. The current situation, anong meron, anong magiging takbuhan ng connection ninyo nitong taong tong iniisip mo? Tingnan natin, ano bang situation ninyo ngayon? Situation, anong meron? Seven of Pentacles in reversed. May nasayang dito. A Capricorn. May nawala. May nag-detached. Yeah, the Two of Cups in reversed. Okay, meron ditong kahit anong gawin mo, hindi mo makuha yung tao. Yeah, the Nine of Wands, hanggang sa sumuko na, or maybe sumuko siya or sumuko ka. Some of you, this is hindi pwedeng relasyon. Okay? So, sabihin nating sa ngayon, iba sa inyo, focusing ka sa iyong career, maybe kaperahan mo in general, and kasi may nasayang eh. Parang, okay, hayaan ko na lang to. Focus na lang muna ako sa kung anong meron. Importanteng mga bagay. Parang ganon. Anong kailangan mo malaman sa person mo? Cancer. Kasi iba rito, may chance na magkahiwalay na kayo ngayon ito. Could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano ang situation ngayon ng person? The Ace of Pentacles. They feel a missed opportunity. Yeah. I think this person really likes you then. They want you. Pero parang hindi pwede, no? I don't know why. Kanya-kanyang issue yan. Kanya-kanyang drama. So, feeling mo sa opportunity. Some of them, di sila makapag-focus sa trabaho nila, sa pamemera nila, all in all. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles inversed. Yeah, Judgment. Simula nung may nag-end, they really still, yeah, want you. Parang ang daming nawala sa kanya. Yeah, the World in reverse, unfinished business. Pero they're striving, like they're fighting sa kung anong meron sa sitwasyon niya sa ngayon. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse, yeah, the Five of Wands in, yeah. Kasi parang, yeah, andun yung drama, andun yung conflict, andun yung problem, pero ini-set aside niya yun, or sabihin natin, iniisip na lang niya is ibang mga bagay, para hindi, yeah, the Eight of Cups. Nilalayuan niya talaga, no? Maybe you're mirroring each other, Cancer. You're mirroring each other. Dropping the situation, focusing on more important things than this. Kasi parang, anong magagawa hindi nga pwede. Parang ganun. Waste of time na lang to kung susubukan. Okay? Let's see, ano ba ang emotion niya for you? What is the emotion? The Page of Cups in reversed. The Knight of Swords in reversed. Marami itong gustong sabihin sa'yo. Nangihinayang tong taong to. Marami siyang gustong sabihin, marami siyang gustong ipahayag, maraming gustong gawing action towards you, pero I won't. Parang ganon. The Three of Cups is here. The Nine of Pentacles. YOLO. Parang ganon yung energy ni person mo. Okay, ibinabaling niya sa ibang mga energy yung kung anong meron. So it's like they're healing, no? Healing. Pero in a wrong way, I think. Okay? Kasi nandun yung parang, yeah, may mga friends siya, inom dito, inom dyan, like that. And then after, yeah, malungkot ulit. Okay, some of them, they really focus on their, career or sa finances niya. Okay? So, what is your next action towards you, Cancer? Their next action. One more. Next action ng person mo. Oh, they're stalking you. They're stalking you. Next action. Next action ng person mo, Cancer. Ten of Wands. Work, work, work. Overload. The Fool. Yeah, the Two of Cups. This is a strong connection. So, hirap tong taong to. Hirap siya, pero nilalabanan niya kung anong meron. Okay? Some of them, they will stand up. Parang, kung gagawa to ng action, gagawin niya. Parang ganyan. In general. Okay? Alam nito kung anong dapat. Alam niya kung anong hindi. Yeah, the Three of Swords. They're in pain, actually. Next action ng taong to is tanggapin kung anong meron sa sitwasyon at matuto. Yeah. This is like acceptance. Energy of acceptance. Ten of Wands, the Fool. Kahit ano gagawin ito, okay, para lang hindi maramdaman yung burden, yung bigat ng sitwasyon sa ngayon. Hirap siya, Cancer. Yeah, hirap siya. Some of them, they will travel to lessen the burden. Parang ganyan. Para lang, yeah. It's not an action towards you. An action pagdating sa sarili niya. Yun ang gagawin niya. Okay? This is healing. Yeah, nag-heal yung person mo, Cancer. Okay, potential outcome. The Eight of Wands. And the High Priestess. Watching. Yeah, the World. Page of Swords. Yeah, this is talking. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah. Still attached. Emotionally attached. Okay, so we have here spying, stalking. Pero moving forward yung nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Ang dami kong nakikitang mensahe dito na hindi sinesend. Ang dami. Or ang daming gustong sabihin pero okay, ikikip ko na lang. Yes. This is being silent pagdating sa isa't isa. And keep moving forward. Parang ganun. Pero yeah, they're keeping tabs on you. Maybe both of you keeping tabs on each other. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Being busy. Having options. Parang ganyan. The Lovers in reverse, yeah. Anyway, so this is silence. Yeah. And accepting the situation. Kung anong meron. Oo. So, let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa all signs? Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. Some of them, they're a non-committal, no? May sabihin nating energy rin na being independent. Some of them, they like you. Okay? Attracted. Taurus. Inconsistent. Gemini, they're a manipulator. Cancer. A missed opportunity or maybe sex-based connection. Leo, they want improvement, they want progress, they see long-term with you. Virgo, they like you, they admire you. Libra, doesn't want any kind of drama. Some of them gusto lang makipag-ayos, sa totoo lang. Scorpio, they're invested, waiting. Sagittarius, no plans. Okay. Capricorn, they're sad. Aquarius, they're manifesting. They're manifesting you maybe. They want to control you or the situation. May energy rin din dito na parang nag-expect siya ng something from you, or maybe you are expecting something from this Aquarius. Then, Pisces. Okay, ayaw nila ng blockage. Some of you, pwedeng i-unblock ka nito ni Pisces. Or meron kang i-unblock. Okay, na Pisces. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa ilalim, nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.